the number one reason to become an affiliate marketer before you miss out. Please subscribe and be part of our journey. Your support truly matters. What if you could help someone in your network land their next client this week and get paid for it without ads and without bugging strangers? Chances are you're already networking with people who want to refer you but don't have a client to send your way yet. We solve that problem in this video. Why become an affiliate marketer with us? If you already love what we do, becoming an affiliate marketer is the next natural step. You're already using our tools to grow your business. Now you can share them with others and get rewarded for it. When you introduce fellow business professionals to our permission-based follow-up system, you're not just helping them grow their client base, you're also creating another income stream for yourself. Every time someone you refer signs up, we thank you with an affiliate commission. It's our way of giving back to you for helping others succeed. So, why is permission-based follow-up so powerful for lead conversion and increasing profits? Because it connects you with financially qualified leads who've asked to hear from you, and it does it automatically through consistent emails and texts. This builds trust, keeps you top of mind, and turns more prospects into paying clients. How we help business owners and sales professionals. We give business owners and sales professionals a fast, proven way to land clients, even in the first few days. Our system is free to try for 10 to 30 days, with no credit card required. Our only goal during that trial? Help them land their next client for free by marketing to their sphere of influence. That's our 100% guarantee. When you connect someone in your network with our free client acquisition system, they can land their next client by marketing to their sphere of influence. The best part? If they sign up for our system, you get paid as an affiliate. Here's how it works. First, you help someone in your network succeed. Second, they may refer their new client to you. Third, you earn affiliate commissions when they join us. It's win, win, win. How to introduce Human Brain Box. You can keep it simple. Hey, I found something that's been a game changer for small business owners and sales professionals trying to get more clients. It's a system that helps you market directly to your own sphere of influence, the people who already know and trust you, using permission-based follow-up. That means you're only reaching out to people who've said yes to hearing from you, with value-packed offers sent through email and text, and you can try it for free. Who do you know that needs to quickly get clients? We're here to help. Become an affiliate partner today. Signing up is quick and simple. Visit humanbrainbox.com/affiliate to get started. Help others grow your income, and never miss another opportunity to earn. If you're finding value in our content and want to keep up with our latest videos, the best way to support us is by hitting that subscribe button. Subscribing helps our channel grow and makes sure you never miss out on the helpful tips, insights, and updates we share regularly. We're on a mission to reach as many subscribers as possible in the next month, and your support means the world to us. Subscriber, help us make this channel something amazing.